Imagine a judge whose court became a viral sensation, not for tough sentences, but for mercy, warmth, and humanity. That judge, Frank Caprio, just passed away, and his final video, shared from his hospital bed, echoed with one last heartfelt plea. Remember me in your prayers. In a world starved for compassion, his passing leaves us with a haunting question. What will we lose when kindness leaves the bench? Hit that subscribe button to stay with us as we explore the emotional story behind the judge who judged with heart. Frank Caprio rose from humble roots in Providence's Federal Hill, son of Italian immigrants, working as a shoe shiner and milkman while pursuing his education. After earning a law degree, he taught civics by day and studied law by night. His rise to chief judge of the Providence Municipal Court in 1985 began a career built on empathy, humility, and a steadfast belief in the goodness of people. In December 2023, Caprio revealed he had pancreatic cancer, a diagnosis he shared openly with his millions of followers, hoping to inspire and uplift. Fast forward to August 19th, 2025. Weakened but hopeful, he posted a video from his hospital bed asking for prayers. Just hours later, he passed away at age 88, closing a life lived with courage and compassion. The public response was overwhelming. Rhode Island's governor declared him a state treasure, flying flags at half-mast in his honor. Across social media, fans mourned the loss of a man who delivered justice with a smile, not a gavel strike. His son, David Caprio, emotionally shared how public love lifted his father's spirit and extended his life beyond expectations. What many might not know is how deeply his father's lessons shaped him. Because you're in a position of power doesn't mean you have to use it against people who don't have power. His father once scolded him on his first day as a judge, words he carried throughout his life. Even during his illness, his faith remained unshaken. He undertook a spiritual pilgrimage to Lourdes with the Order of Malta, describing the experience as profoundly moving and emblematic of his unwavering faith. Legal scholars reflect on Caprio's philosophy as revolutionary. Justice can be firm, yet sympathetic. His courtroom was less about punishment, more about humanity, a lesson often forgotten in our polarized world. Social media experts point out that his viral fame wasn't manufactured. It was earned through genuine kindness, reinforcing that empathy captures hearts more than drama ever could. Caprio's passing marks the end of an era in public service where the judge's role was more than legal. It was moral. For public figures and influencers, his life reminds us that authenticity wins where sensationalism fails. Imagine a future courtroom, a world where empathy is again the first rule. Unlike other viral sensations who fade, Caprio's fame was grounded in real-world impact. Much like Mr. Rogers in courtrooms, not gimmicks. His legacy is more aligned with human-focused icons than with fleeting celebrity. Judge Frank Caprio lived and left on his own terms, compassion intact, heart strong, faith unbroken. As we say goodbye, here's what I want you to think about. In your world, work, school, family, how can you carry forward Caprio's legacy of being kind first, judgment second? Drop your thoughts in the comments.